Okay, Leute. Jetzt sind wir an Bord von der Hannibal. Danigen. Techniker.
Easy. Little left. Back, and stop. Okay, so what's the problem with this beast?
The back shield's cut out.
Run a diagnostic on the primary emitter.
Pass auf. Jetzt mich da, warte mal. Briefing. Zum Briefing.
Get this, would you?
Doch nicht.
The MBLBs weren't built for this kind of punishment.
Okay, let's try it again.
What if the strong guy...
Ja gut, ich möchte mir ein bisschen umschauen, gell? Was so los ist.
Okay, Marine. Time to kill anything that's not you.
Flooding chamber with trichlorite and septazine. Chamber at maximum saturation.
Ja gut, man hat mich entlaust.
Purging chamber.
Nicht, dass ich das Ungeziefer von Bord schleppe.
Decontamination cycle complete.
You're clean. Come on through.
How's it been?
Couple of sightings.
Zum
Other than
Briefing.
that, it's been quiet as a graveyard.
Let's hope it stays that way.
Private Mark Lorenzi, please
Brand.
report medical bay 3.
Med Bay. Zentralkommando. Den mache ich jetzt gut an.
Heard the mechanics are prepping 4 heavy trucks.
So, what does that mean?
Not sure. But with that many trucks, HQ's planning something.
Aha. Gib mir nix, gell?
Told you these systems are finicky.
These systems are
Was hat mir doch?
Tell me about it. My grandfather served on this ship right out of boot camp.
Receive signals in that area due to Strog interference.
But a strong unit is headed directly for Cougar Squad.
Sorry, there's nothing we
Das
can
ist
do.
Briefing.
Corporal.
Then they're all dead men. Richard's out.
Do you see? It's just as I predicted.
Medical Bay.
The nanites infesting the muscle are repairing the
Du hast noch doch. Oh.
after it's separated
The
from the body.
exoskeleton is hardened tribinium.
Nonsense. These saws cut through marine body armor. Should have no trouble with this strong
Apparently,
metal.
he was captured and forced to endure
Ja gut.
mechanical
Amputation.
I just have to press a little harder. Look at this. The procedure for attaching the implants is evidently quite traumatic. The subject must be...
Briefing. Wo soll ich die finden?
So,
Ah, da ist
are you
sie.
certain it's dead?
I was assured by Lieutenant Pierce it's completely dead.
You remember this morning? They told us that one was dead too.
That
Ja gut, ich schau mir
I'll
noch.
never forget.
Freunde, wie schaut denn das? Geht da was? Rhino Briefing Room. Aha, nur drin.
Corporal Matthew Kane, the rest of the Rhino squad has already arrived. The
Ja
briefing
Mann,
will commence shortly.
worauf?
Looks like Kane made it back.
Giving him shit, Dell. Kane's all right.
As you were. Rhino Squad, the following is highly classified and is not to be spoken of outside these walls. The death of the Macron couldn't have come at a better time. It's imperative we press that advantage, which is the reason for our next operation. Lieutenant Voss, take over.
Intelligence Division has discovered that the Strog function through a massive communication system called the Nexus. With it, Strog leaders can instantly send instructions to soldiers in the field. And although it's their strength, it's also their Achilles heel. Our target, known as the Hub, houses major communication lines to the Nexus. We will be escorting a convoy carrying an electromagnetic bomb to a sub-level of this building. The convoy will proceed to the designated position and detonate it. The blast will overload a device known as the Tetranode and effectively cut off the Strog forces from the Nexus and therefore their commanders. To ensure success, 3 other squads will be escorting additional EMPs to the same location. Their convoys are codenamed War, Famine, and Pestilence.
Which means we are death.
Yeah, we're death. Any questions? The convoy will be deployed soon. Go to the armory and suit up. Dismissed.
Private Mark Lorenzi, please report to Medical Bay 3.
Jetzt Mächter. Gear up. Bedarf. Nein, ausrüsten. Und auf zur neuen Schandtaten. Moment, wo geht denn raus? Halt aus. Und da sind wir gekommen. Aber pass auf. Gear up.
This guy, Sergeant Bidwell, has one guy thrown over his shoulder and is barking out orders as he blazes away with a rifle in his hand. The man was a freaking machine.
What squad was he with?
I'm not sure, but he was protecting some obnoxious computer tech.
Obwohl, wie schaut denn aus?
Here, Marine. I need this. Extended clip should help in taking
Your
down the
signal is
squids.
strong, Pestilence. Switch to secured frequency 461.
Wie schaut denn aus? Kriegen wir uns Größeres? Rhino Squad. Zum Konvoi.
Hannibal, I need a medic.
Who are you? I'm not able to get a reading on your med chip.
Corporal Thomas Alvarez.
The plasma coil in panel 24A has been reactivated.
Zum Konvoi. Walker Hangar. Scheiße. Kenn ich's auch, wenn sie da rausgehen. Da sind wir gekommen. Warte mal. Rhino Squad. Scheiße, Angreifer. Bin du nicht einer? Dann gehen wir heute.
Corporal Kane, your ride to the convoy is waiting.
Achso, da.
Step
Da ist er
on
gleich.
through.
A computer tech is needed in Walker Bay 6C.
Der Kaplan Gott, das ist auch schon da. Und der Rhodes, ja gut. Achso, ihr Lord oder wir?
Memorial Service.
Kane, this is Voss. Grab a ride with Corporal Spencer. He's in a truck nearby. Report to Sergeant Bidwell when you get to the death convoy. Voss out.
Okay, Leute. Jetzt treffen wir uns mit einem Konvoi oder so.
You're the one needing a ride to the convoy, you better haul ass in that direction, Marine. From the sound of it, they're getting tired of waiting on you.
Ah, da ist er. Come on.
HQ, this is War.
Machen wir auf den Weg.
This is HQ, go ahead. We are proceeding to checkpoint 1.
HQ, this is Eagle 8. We are doing a flyby of famine. Everything is in the green.
Der Konvoi.
Okay, Lieutenant Voss said you'd be riding with us. Hop on up and we'll get going. All right, Doyle, get this shit heat moving. Roger that. Let's move out. You got any idea how far into Strogg territory
Der
these
Hawkins und der
convoys are going?
Spencer. Aha.
Far enough that you're gonna have to be fluent in Strogg
Die
if you
zwei Typen von
want
der
to answer
Tankstelle.
directions. Yeah, you boys have pulled off all sorts of impossible shit, haven't you? Yeah, they're still talking about what Rhino did in Dallas during the Earth invasion. This is Walker 4, Bison Squad on patrol. All clear.
Pass auf. Nur noch nach hinten gehen. Oh, geht noch.
Chatter, gentlemen, and keep your eyes wide. There's reports of Strog in this area. The Strog have got a squad pinned down. Come on!
Wahrscheinlich gibt es einen Hinterhalt, oder? Irgendwie.
This freak's mine. This freak's mine. Feel the bird.
Ja, boom. Wir sind hier ein bisschen am Präsentierteller. Warte, ich hab Bomber. Oh, da. Meine Klang, oder? Bitte Spazierfahrt.
You can get off, Kane. This is your stop. See you around.
Pass auf, ans Werk. Wie schaut das mit Munition? Natürlich nichts, gell? Holen jetzt verlangt, der Bidwell. Mr. Bidwell. Jetzt ist der da vorne.
What the hell are we doing messing with a bomb like this?
What's the worry? You got a pacemaker?
I know an
The sledge,
electromagnetic
aha.
burst
Is that
won't
all?
hurt us, but if this thing went off, charge would frighten.
Der Gott, der ist schon wieder schneller als ich.
I trust you are ready for our mission. It's not every day you get to save the earth.
Hannibal, this is Det. Do you read?
Affirmative, Dad. Now switching to frequency 512.
Aha, da ist er. Moment. Der kassiert ab.
Kane, where the hell have you been? Lieutenant Boss wants you to catch up with him. Hop on that truck and they'll get you where you need to be.
In den Truck.
Welcome aboard, Corporal Kane. I hope you're handy with that weapon. We're going to be traveling through some pretty hot zones.
Die Ballernummer.
Kane, this is Voss. Keep your eyes open. Intelligence is reporting a high concentration of Strog in your vicinity.
Ja gut. Muss gerade das umnugeln, gell? Jawohl, über die Flinken dann. Also mal, da kein Kim. Oh, hat das Minen? Aber wie schaut denn aus? Haben wir Pioniere dabei?
First one's disarmed. Okay, on to the next. Well, this is going faster if I wasn't being shot at.
wie schaut denn aus? Haben wir's gleich.
Got 'em all. Now, let's get the hell out of here.
Ja, Leute, und die kommen schon wieder ein bisschen richtig. Meistens. Aber, dann Wund.
HQ, this is Pestilence. We've reached checkpoint 1 and are proceeding to checkpoint 2. This is Eagle 301. There's bullets in the area. They're keeping out of sight. HQ, this is War. We are under attack from strong infantry. Roger that, War. Air support has been dispatched.
War, this is Eagle 9. You might want to duck and cover. This is going
Ja, Mann, ich bin zum Abknallen.
Oh, nice shoot, Eagle 9.
Hätte ich schon mal einen großen Ballermann ab.
HQ, this is War. We are resuming our mission. Kane, this is Boss. We can't move forward until you take out the turrets defending this area.
Pass auf. Oh, mein voll schweres Geschütz ab. Gehen wir schon mit die Rakete hier. Weg mit dem Klump, weg mit den Raketen.
Hammond, this is HQ. Air support is on its way. Negative, do not send back up. The area is swarming with strong.
Oh, nix.
We're a lost cause. Kane, you still there? We're down to 3 convoys, so haul ass immediately at that building just up ahead. We need you to take down that fence. Boss out. This is insane. Stay on, Kane. There's one more backup turret to take out.
Ja, dann wollen wir mich so schön. Dass du nicht triffst. Wird das. Ja, Burm, der Weg ist frei und ich bin fast tot.
Good job back there, Kane. You kept them off us. Here's your stop. Go ahead and get off. Been a pleasure, Kane. Watch yourself. Kane, this is Lieutenant Voss. Head towards the facility dead ahead. See you there.
Der Mr. Voss, wieder mal. Ja, wo ist denn der? Da drin.